Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing how to apply Suriname e-visa online. This is the official website for Suriname. You can see here VFS Global. So we are applying Suriname e-visa through VFS Global portal, and you can see here the official authority of honors government of Suriname is VFS, and this is conditions of the visa they mention here. Are you watching my channel first time? Please subscribe. Now we can see what are the countries are eligible for applying e-visa. So these are the listed countries are eligible for applying e-visa through VFS portal. You can see here a lot of countries they listed and India also here. So we have to apply e-visa. These are the listed country are eligible for applying e-visa. And e-visa is a simply very straightforward process. It's completely electronic. That is the benefit for e-visas. Now most of the countries introducing e-visa. Now you can see here once you arrival you have to present passport along with your e-visa for the immigration officer and visa fee. The payment of visa fee, last step of the application process, submitting your details and other mandatory documents. Like we have to fill the basic details and we have to upload our document like passport and copy of flight tickets, copy of accommodation and photo. And these are documents we need to be required for apply the visa. Now you can see what are the fees. Entry fees for single entry visa is USD $50 and business visa multiple entry $100. Business visa multiple entry for 5 year $360. So these are the listed fees for the visa, and apart from that there will be additional charges for the VFS service charge and you will be paying $18. So total for single entry visa $78 we need to make online, and visa processing time 72 hours and it's approximately more than 3 working days uh, other than public holidays. And visa fee payment are making through the credit card or debit card, so you have to enable your international transaction in order to make the payment. Anyone looking assistant for Suriname, you can contact us, we can help you with the reasonable charges. The first step will be the login, so you have to register your login account with your email ID so you can easily register. After registration you have to click on I am applying just to myself, and here select the nationality and fill your basic details like your personal detail, passport details, address, your employment details, so a contact number, email ID, you have to mention it. And here you can see the travel information, so here you have to mention the flight number, flight ticket number and everything you need to mention it. So dummy ticket will be work, dummy reservation will be work for Suriname. So anyone looking only assistant for dummy hotel and dummy ticket, that also you can contact us. And next step will be after filling all details then we have to upload your documents. like passport, photo, flight reservation, and hotel reservation. So I'm just uploading one dummy passport for this for reference. So make sure when you're filling your document, your details, you have to make sure you have to fill correctly as per your documents and upload properly the attachment. After uploading all details, then we have to mention accommodation details. So I'm just keeping one hotel in Paramaribo. Paramaribo is capital of Suriname. So I'm just keeping one hotel details. So in this section you have to mention the hotel in the hotel details same as per the hotel vouchers. After the section we have to uh, submit application online and make the visa fee. Visa fee you can see here $60 visa fee and service charge $80, total $78 we need to make online. So we can make online payment by our card, credit card, debit card, that is possible. Like that the process. Hope you guys understand about Suriname e-visa. Any question, any assistance you need, you can contact us, we can help you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.